With the subject selected, go to the quick selection tool and select the subject. Once this has been selected properly, create a layer mask. Go into the adjustment layers and create a solid color. You want to set it to white. Drag it behind the subject. Now drag and drop the image you'll be adding double exposure effect with. Scale it up and rotate it to your preference. To create a clipping mask, hit the Alt button and hover in between these two layers. Go into this area and turn here from normal to screen. To make the image pop up a little bit, create a new curve adjustment layer. Drag the rightmost slider to this side. And since you don't want it to be too bright, drag the leftmost slider here a little bit. After that, go into the layer mask of the subject. Using your brush tool, you want to make these edges a little bit softer. Go to the solid color and select the lightest part of your subject. And that's how to create a simple double exposure effect in Photoshop.